Hello friends and welcome to this video. We are launching ProbeOps Horizon today, which is a multi-geo browser. What ProbeOps Horizon is that it's a playwright-based browser that we have built primarily for multi-geo proxy support. Here, using Horizon, you will be able to do per region live browsing side by side. So you can open like two different windows, one from let's say US East location and other one is from EU Central location. And you can browse them side by side, see the performance of your website, see if geo-specific rules are being followed properly, like if there's a cookie pop-up for EU region and so on. And it uses real networking identity. So we have hosted proxies in each of these regions, right? That ProbeOps Horizon leverages, right? So you will be able to see real regional IPs, DNS, any latencies, CDN routing. It's not simulated. It's the exact way how the real user will be using it for different geographies. And then it provides full Chromium DevTools. So if you want to troubleshoot anything, you can do a hard export. You can see the time to first byte, redirect chains, console logs, etc., etc. And there's no IP leak, because typically when you use VPN kind of tools to troubleshoot your application or website from multiple geographies, right? It always leaks your actual IP addresses and gives your location, right? So you don't see the actual experience that a user in that particular region or location will be getting. So the challenges that we are trying to solve here is we are trying to make geo debugging simple, regional CDN and routing validation, which is the most important use case, and then geo-based feature flag testing. If you have different feature flags in different regions, using ProbeOps Horizon, you will be able to validate that. You can do global authentication and SSO behavior debugging in different geographies. Compliance testing, particularly GDPR, if you host a service or application for European Union. Cookie consent, if the pop-up is coming properly. Uh, SEO and search personalization preview without paid SEO tools. Pricing, like you will have different regional pricing, right? You'll be able to see your pricing page if it's getting populated properly in the desired way. Performance. So one major challenge is how do you see what is the performance for end user when he's browsing your web application, right? So you will be able to see it across multiple geos using ProbeOps Horizon, and then you can also see if there is a issue related to CDN or content delivery networks. If content delivery is getting failed, some images are not loading, videos are not loading, maybe scripts are failing to load, right? So you will be able to do a troubleshooting related to that, and then you will be able to do a global user experience and UI localization check using ProbeOps Horizon. And it's not limited to that. So if you want to go deeper, you can use ProbeOps Terminal, where you can choose a particular geography. You can see the regions that we have currently, right? So you can see the regions, and if you want to check or run a specific test from a particular region, you will be able to do that. And we have created a detailed video on ProbeOps Terminal earlier, so I will also leave a link of that video in the description. So without much ado, let's do some hands-on. So I'll go to the ProbeOps website and show you from where you can download the browser. Okay, so you can just go to probeops.com and then in the download section, and you will be able to download the installer or portable version from here. So we have installer as well as portable version, because if your organization block download or installation of new executables, you can always use the portable version. So this is 1027, but it will probably be a different version when you will download it, latest version actually. So I have downloaded and saved it on my desktop, and let me double click and execute. And you can see a Windows warning, right? So go to more info and accept that, because we have just released this solution. There are pretty less solutions. So you can see Windows Smart Screen warning. You have to sell through it. And then here you can say I accept. and then you can choose for whom you want to install. Let me install it for myself for now, and let me hit install. It will take a moment, and it's done, right? So you can see the shortcut is also available on my desktop. So let me double click on this, and it has opened the ProbeOps Horizon browser. Now here I can use my credentials. So let me key in my credentials. And it will automatically land me in this probe tools and then multi geo browser page. In case it takes you to a dashboard or somewhere, don't get confused. You can just find proxy tools and then go to multi geo browser. And from here, right, I'll be able to create multi-geo windows. Now we have a free tier where you will get up to 3 hours of free access. You can create up to 3 tokens. Each token lives for like 18 minutes. So let me just create a new token for now, and it has created a new token with a validity of 1 hour. And now I can create a geo window. So let me click on new geo window, and you can see all the locations that we have available. So I'm already in India, so I'll skip Mumbai for now. Maybe I want to see how my application looks from Ashburn, that is in US East. So I can just click Ashburn, and it will open a new geo window for me. It's already opened, right? So you can see my IP address from this window. We have built a small IP lookup utility here because existing Show My IP and other websites, they're very heavy on ads. So from this page, right, you will be able to see the geolocation information, and you can open your own website from here. So for now, I'll just open google.com. So it will load google.com from Ashburn, and you will be able to see this small message here, right? This is the basically we have built so that you can keep track of where you are, right? So currently you are in US East. Now let's say I want to create a new geo window in a different location. Let's choose US EU Central for now, and then it will open a new different geo window in EU Central. So let me just go to EU Central one, right? So you can see Helsinki, Finland, and you can see the location is EU Central from this message. And if you don't like it, you can always choose to close it. Now let me open a new tab, and let me uh, minimize it, and let's open google.com from here. Google.com. Right, and our other tab already have google.com opened, right? So now here you can see the message, cookie message that is coming because we are browsing from EU, European Union, basically, right? And our other page of google.com, right, there's no message. You can also see them like pretty much side by side. So here is Google from uh, our US location, and here it is from our EU location, right? So I'll be able to see them side by side. And if I want to exit at any point in time, I can always close these straight away. I can directly close these windows, right? But this is side by side experience, and then it's complete. So in the sense that you can always do a F12 if you want to see the developer tool. You can see the console logs, and let me just refresh the speed. So uh, that should actually show all the logs and everything. So let's say IX. And you can also take hard capture or anything, right? You can see the network logs, you can see the latency and so on and so forth. And this is coming from EU central location. So this is not from your existing location, right? So it's very easy to move in and move out of geos. And if you want to close it, you can always close it. Or you also have a close all switch here. So you can close it all and you can exit from this browser. So very, very powerful tool, and it will make debugging from different geos a breeze for you. So please sign up, and like I said, it's free. We have a freemium model, so you can up to 3 hours in a day you can access. Typically, you don't require to access 3 hours in a day, but then for troubleshooting or anything, right, 3 hours should be more than enough. And you can always choose to upgrade your subscription tier if you think you need access for longer time duration. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful, and you can always go to our website and you can download this browser installer from there. So thanks for joining this video, and if you have any questions or something is not working for you as expected, you are getting a error message or something, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.